Okay guys, in this video I'm going to cover some of the trading tips they give you in the TradeNet to support resistance, some of the pullback techniques and volume they cover, so stay tuned. Like any basic course, TradeNet will also cover your kind of support resistances, teach you to kind of watch out for some trend patterns along the way, some kind of technical analysis of these. What it also really covers really well, I really like the volume coverage that they cover, in terms of they go into volume of a stock in quite a bit of detail, kind of tell you what exactly to look for in terms of, okay, if your stock is priced at X, you're looking for X amount of volume. So they kind of give you kind of a step-by-step what kind of standards you need to be looking at during some of these trading tips they're giving you, which I really like. It's not just kind of a broad aspect of, okay, this is volume, this is what you do. It's kind of telling you exactly what you need to do in terms of your price tickers that you're looking at. They also kind of teach you some kind of trading techniques, like trading on a pullback, when is kind of an entry and exit price. So this is a really helpful tactic as well if you're kind of starting off in the stock world. This to me would be kind of a little bit more after a basic tip. So they do throw in the course some tips that are some slightly more advanced trading, but as well, you take it on board with you kind of implement it, it really works for you. So there is some kind of sneaky tips in there, which is for the slightly more advanced, which that's one reason why I do like the TradeNet course. So guys, if you are thinking of the TradeNet course, there is a link in the description below, so help me help you. Also, I'm proud to say I'm the only one that can offer a lifetime discount of $50 for the TradeNet course. It is in the link in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Thank you.